Probiotics and antibiotics, key differences. Probiotics versus antibiotics. Same ending, completely different effect on your body. Here's what you need to know. Antibiotics are powerful drugs that kill harmful bacteria, helping with infections like strep throat and pneumonia. However, antibiotics also destroy good gut bacteria, which can lead to side effects like diarrhea and fatigue. Probiotics are live good bacteria that boost digestion and immunity, restoring gut health after antibiotics. The key difference: antibiotics kill bacteria, both good and bad, while probiotics replenish the beneficial ones. Should you take both? Yes, but wait a few hours after antibiotics before taking probiotics to avoid interference. Antibiotics fight the battle, while probiotics help restore health afterwards. Together, they protect your body. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes. Always consult your doctor before taking supplements. Follow a PharmacyFYI for simple, smart health insights that actually help.